Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to episode 165 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. My friends, we have reached another magic number. That's right, we have reached 4,000 subscribers. I am so excited, I don't know what to say. Thank you again, my friends, for all your love and support and watching all my videos. I'm so blessed and thankful from the bottom of my heart. Now we're on the 5,000. Well, I'm very excited about this next recipe. This is also in collaboration. I am collaborating with my sisters Cricket over at Cooking with Cricket and Dolores over at the Baking Diva. For this collaboration, we're going to do Valentine's Day treat. Dolores is going to make Oreo cheesecake cookies, and Cricket is making heart-shaped sugar donuts. My sisters, they sound delicious. And I'm going to make red velvet kiss cookies. And my friend, these cookies are so soft and chewy, and we're going to put a chocolate in the middle. And once you taste these cookies, you would go back for seconds. All right, you ready? Let's go bake some red velvet cookie magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, in my bowl I have 1 3/4 cup of self-rising flour, and next we're going to add in half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Going to stir all this together, and then we're going to set these aside while we work on our wet ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 stick, which is a half a cup of unsalted butter salted, and 4 ounces of cream cheese, and we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar, 1 jumbo egg at room temperature, 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk, of course, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of red food coloring. I'm going to cream all this until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright my friends, next we're going to slowly add the dry to the wet. And we're going to blend all this until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, this is what our cake batter look like, nice and thick. Alright, that looks great. Now we're going to form our dough into cookies, and I'm using a heart shape, and we're just going to spread our cookie dough right onto the heart. Alright my friends, I'm through putting my cookies together. So now we're ready to put these in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven, and it smells great in this kitchen. Alright, so all we do now is let our cookies cool for 4 minutes, and then we're going to add our chocolate. I'm using these, or you can use any kind. We're going to put them in the middle. Alright my friends, I got all my chocolates on top. Alright, so now we're going to let our cookies cool for another 4 to 5 minutes, and then we'll be ready to give it a taste. We'll be back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Red velvet kiss cookies. Now look how gorgeous that look, and I put it on my heart-shaped platter. After all, it's Valentine's Day. Your sweetheart would definitely love these cookies. All right, here we go. So soft and chewy. If you're a fan of red velvet and cookies, you would definitely love this recipe. Red Velvet Licious. Wow, Cricket and Dolores, I had a wonderful time doing this collaboration with you. I'll post a link to their channels and to their recipes down below in the description box. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat, and happy Valentine's Day.